guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonali from It Starts at Home and I hope everybody is doing great. I welcome all new subscribers. We are 21,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for building my small network, and I am so thankful to each one of you. If you are a new subscriber, please drop a comment below, say hi. And if you have been here with our journey, I would love to see your names pop up. I know some of you have been so kind, replying to each one of my videos, emails and messages. Thank you so much. I am so glad today, guys, that I have got this amazing activity for our younger age group, and this is a primarily brain boosting visual spatial intelligence activity. It's primarily color driven. It's for the ages 3 to 5.5, and I am targeting the kids who are in nursery, KG, LKG, UKG, pre-K, kindergarten. They are the ones who would be able to do this activity and would be engaged for a good time. So you have 10 activities in this, and they're completely DIY. They can be DIY, though I would be showing you a printable, which is also available on my Facebook page in the marketplace, and you could drop an email to me. My email address is down below and also right here, where you can ask me to get this printable. Or if you're trying to make it at home, I would say all you would need for the activity is some paper, some sketch pens, a pair of scissors, and a willing child definitely to do the activity. So guys, let's just not waste any more time. Let's just dive into and see what the activity is. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you are notified every single time when I upload this amazing content. So let's get going. All right, guys, so this is how the activity is presented. I have used the loops and I'm using a sheet protector to put all the activities in. I have kept the answers out for the kids to match up. Also, I'm using this tray where the answers would be presented to the kids in the way you want. So there are two ways to present the activity. One is that you just give the activity sheets and you present the answers separately. And let me show it to you how. So let's look at activity number 8. All right. So you have placed the same color combinations. All right. So what you could do is you have to present all the sheets together at one time and let the child figure out which one belongs to this one, and they start doing the cutting. Or what you could do is you could actually cut them out here. So I have done activity number 9 and 8. They are already cut down here. The cutouts are already done, and I have laminated them by using the Scotch tape. So what the child can do is, if you already have these things here, the child has to just pick it up and he needs to find the right place between 8 and 9. And let's see, because the colors are so distinctive and there are so many of them, they will be able to find. The basic idea is that they go in sequential order and they check each and every color block. So you have blue, yellow and orange. Blue, that's not yellow, so that could not be the case. You have blue, yellow, but that blue looks different than this blue, so it does not match. Here you don't have that, but here you definitely have that. And once you have the first line, you check the second line, you check the third line, and then you put. So that's how you should be telling the kid to do it. And then you have a combination. Let's look at this one. You have green and blue, orange, purple, red, green, blue, orange, purple, red, red, yellow, green. This goes here. So like this, the child would be able to pick and choose, and you could do for all of them at one time and present them here, or you could put it in a Ziploc, you could put it in a pouch so that they can remove each one of them and try and place the activity as and when they are doing. Or the best way would be to work on their scissor skills. They cut each one of them, and that's going to take a lot of time. So this activity is going to build some patience in the kids, of course, definitely concentration, and they would be able to cut and place each one of them where they belong. So that would be activity number 1. They are going in gradual order, and you have all the instructions written right here. So in activity 1, you have single block colors. In activity number 2, there are double block colors here. This is activity number 3, which is gradually going, and they are also learning how are the two shapes combining and making new shapes. So now you have this L kind of a thing, which is missing just a square. So here you have a perfect rectangle, you have a square. So primarily we are doing different shapes and different colors as an understanding through visual spatial intelligence. So here you have a combination of 3, Moving forward, here you have a perfect square with combination of 4. Then you go 5, it's looking more like a tower now or a building. And then you have combination of 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one is the child has to create their own design. Looking at this, what's gonna come next? So that is a critical thinking here, which involves a little bit of creativity. They can use colors. You could make some squares for them and they could just color it in. And that's it, guys. So this was a perfect activity for those little kids, and they can revise their colors. They would be able to concentrate, can sit down, and the activities are definitely fun and engaging. So guys, if you like this activity, give me a thumbs up. And if you need this printable, I'm leaving the link below. Make sure you leave a comment. If you're looking for any particular types of videos, would be happy to hear whatever you guys have to say. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.